right, in the last video, we installed the TourTech bars that connect the factory bars to the frame to give it some extra support. In this video, we're going to be installing the AltRider cylinder head protectors for the stock crash bars. If this is something you're interested in, please stick around for the video. All right, my name's Dan. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I bought a 2024 BMW 1250 GS Adventure that we are slowly but surely adding some different things to. So in the last couple videos, we've been slowly but surely kind of adding things that provide us with some safety and some extra protection, and this video is no different. We have the AltRider cylinder head guards. What it's going to do is, on these cylinder adventure bikes with the factory guards, there's nothing to protect the cylinder head right here. And so if you were to drop the bike down on a rock or something like that, it's directly going to go into here. So what we're doing is we're covering this with one of those aluminum panels. If the bike drops down on the right or the left side, it's going to be protected as much as possible from anything that's going to pierce or poke up into it. So these are super simple to install. You have a left and a right. You have brackets to go across the factory crossbar. You have some nuts that fit down on the inside, so you don't even need a wrench. All you need is a 4mm Allen wrench, and that will go into these 4mm stainless steel bolts. There are also some really nice washers that will go like that, so that the bolt sits nice and flush when you put it in. So the only extra thing you need is just a little bit of anti-seize for these nuts. These are concentric nuts, and so the anti-seize just helps the nut and the bolt come together without galling. So stainless steel sometimes has that property where when it gets hot through the friction, it can gall and lock itself up. So the nice thing about these covers is they basically slide right on, and then there's just a clamp at the bottom. There is a little bit of a depression, and this is so that it can get as close to the cylinder. This just makes a nice cover. I think it fits in well with what we've got going on. So we'll go ahead and get to installing one of them. So like I said, this it fits on really nice. So there is a curved piece here and a curved piece there, and basically you just do that. And push it into place. So like I said, the nuts just fit right on the inside of that bracket, and we'll do the top one first. We've already put that washer on the bolt itself. All right, we're gonna get the second bolt. All right, so the only thing we're gonna do is take a rubber mallet and just kind of give this a tap. And that just ensures that everything is seated well. And we're just gonna go ahead and tighten everything up. And as you tighten this up, it's going to pull everything nice and close. All right, and there you go. You can see how we're nice and tight. And you can see the clamp, how the clamp sits there in the bottom. And that's just going to give us nice protection in case something falls. So nice aluminum. All right, and that's that. So we'll go ahead and do the other side. The procedure is exactly the same. All right, so that was the install of the AltRider R118-0-1106 cylinder head guards for the BMW 1250 GS Adventure for the OEM crash bars. You can see how nice and sleek that looks. I think it's a great addition to the bike, and it's gonna make me feel better about if I ever have to drop the bike, or for some reason I do drop the bike. So thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description below for any of the tools that I've used. So that was the install of our AltRider cylinder head protection. So I feel better about having them on there now. In the event that I do drop the bike or something happens when the bike goes down, they will at least have some puncture protection on that side. So I'll leave a link in the description below for the tools that I used, as well as the part number for the kit that we bought. And like I said, super simple, took about 15 minutes, super easy to do in your garage. If you like what we're doing, give me a big thumbs up. Think about subscribing as we continue to outfit this GS adventure. And then check us out as we start to kind of go out and explore some. Thanks again, this is Dan, and we'll see you next time.